Hey mates, welcome to Tech Solutions, your tech guide. Do you want to install Windows Sandbox on your Windows 11? Do you know about Windows Sandbox? Windows Sandbox provides a lightweight desktop environment to safely run applications in isolation. Software installed inside the Windows Sandbox environment remains sandboxed and runs separately from the host machine. A sandbox is temporary. When it's closed, all the software and files in the state are deleted. Let's see how you can enable it in Windows 11 and use it wisely. Go to Windows Control Panel. Hit Program and Features. Once again hit Turn Windows Features on or off. Scroll to the bottom. You must be seeing Windows Sandbox. It will be unchecked as default. Enable it as shown visually. Wait for a couple of seconds for its installation to be finished for you. Once done, you must reboot your PC for changes to take effect. Reboot now. Welcome back. You can start Windows Sandbox from the Applications menu on your Windows 11 PC. You must be seeing Windows Sandbox as running wisely on this machine. It's a complete lightweight desktop environment with Windows 11. It has all the required features of Windows 11. You can test your apps, run your applications and scripts without any fear of any damage to your files. Isn't this great? Let's give you a demo creating a simple folder. Once you will close this Windows Sandbox instance, you made changes or created files or folders be deleted forever. You must be seeing nothing left which was created previously. Believe me, this isn't handy features for most of you all. Anything to ask? Comment it. Thanks for watching. Good day.